Of course. Brilliant. Hush, little darling, don't you cry. This is Harriet and Lucy. Back again. We've actually trying to get some bloody views going on it. It's not working.
We're just gonna take it for YouTube.
No, we're not going to take it for YouTube. We're just trying to figure out how this all works and stuff. So become a fan of us. Come on, guys. We are quite cool. And I bought a new top yesterday.
And it is cool.
Yeah, it's Guns N' Roses. I don't know if you're a fan, but it's Guns N' Roses.
Yeah, so, you know, check it out. Look, show them.
Right, this is my new t-shirt. Bring it down. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Bring it up, bring it up.
Yeah, that was Haz's new
T-shirt.
So, you know, we are wondering if
we have any fans out there.
Yeah.
From being on YouTube for about 3 days.
Yeah, and by the way, if you have any concerns about anything, leave a comment.
Us, yeah, and we will talk to you about it. We'll help you through
this little rumba. Did you know we've been through a lot of shit, you know? A lot of shit. What?
That's fine.
Yes, you can. We've been through a lot of stuff. So, you know, if you just email us.
Mine is hot_gal at hotmail.co.uk.
Or just leave a comment.
It'd be easier for you guys. We might tomorrow or later on today we're gonna give some camping advice on how to have a successful camping trip.
And maybe a camping party.
Yeah.
Because we're going camping on
Friday.
That's very true, Dr. Sullivan. So, you know, if there's anything, you know, maybe even uploading videos and shit.
Yeah, if you want some help on that, because clearly we're experts on that stuff.
Yeah, it'd be amazing. Well, anyway, see you later. Please leave comments on YouTube under, well, it's okay. Bye.